Insert a large circle. Duplicate it twice, resizing each duplicate to be progressively smaller, and align them to a common center. Insert a thin rectangle. Center it over the circles at a 180 degrees angle. Duplicate the rectangle 3 times, rotating the copies to 90 degrees, 135 degrees, and 45 degrees respectively to create a radial grid. Use the fragment tool, merge shapes, on all selected objects. Retain only the necessary segments and delete the surplus fragments. Remove all shape outlines for a clean look. Resize and duplicate the resulting triangle, segment shapes. Ensuring they are placed consistently across all sections of the diagram. Apply a professional color palette to the shapes. And insert sequential numbers into each segment. Insert a bulb icon. Adjust its color to match the theme. And apply coordinated animations to the elements. A polished, interactive infographic ready for presentation.